How to view your liked post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to view your liked post on Facebook, first of all launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down again and tap on the option of activity log. Here, select on the option of your Facebook activity. As you do that, scroll down and you can simply see the option of manage post over here. So let's tap on manage post. Let's select on the filters and see if we have the option over here. Let's select on categories and you can see all these options. So you can simply select your photos, posts and videos or anything like that. If you do not get that option of liked post over here, you can simply swipe the option at the top left corner of the screen where you can set different options. So let's select on likes and reactions. As you do that, you will be able to see all the liked posts on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.